Hi, I'm Michael Emmy, Principal Engineer for Bathroom Sinks at KOHLER Company. Today, I'm going to demonstrate why it's essential to use the Cutout template when installing KOHLER Undermount bathroom sinks. Here we have two Caxton under-counter bathroom sinks that came from two different KOHLER manufacturing facilities. As you can see, vitreous china has some slight variability by nature. So, we developed the Cutout template to allow for all possible variation in our sinks. When you see the Cutout template, you are assured of a perfect countertop fit every time. All KOHLER under-counter bathroom sinks ship with the installation clamps and complete installation instructions. The Cutout template can be downloaded and printed from the product detail page on kohler.com. If you have additional questions regarding the installation of KOHLER Undermount sinks, please contact customer service by phone or email. We hope you found this information helpful. By choosing a KOHLER Undermount bathroom sink, not only are you guaranteed a beautiful, high-quality product, you can also enjoy the peace of mind that comes with an easy installation and a perfect fit.